My name is Christina Remache, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make tteokbokki, which are Korean spicy rice cakes. These are a popular street food in the country, and they have many variations on how they're cooked, but today I'll be adding steak as a topping. So the ingredients we need today are 1/3 cup of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 green onions that are sliced, 2 cups of beef stock, 2 cups of water, 1 pound of rice cakes, 1 pound of boneless sirloin, and 5 slices of mozzarella cheese. So to start off, we are going to boil the beef stock in the water for 15 minutes. We're going to turn the stove on high heat, so I let the water boil for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to slice up the green onions. I usually cut these into 2-inch segments, but it's totally up to you on how you want to cut them. Okay, so now that we're done with our slicing, our water is now boiled, and it is time to add our spices. Okay, so here we have our spices. We have the chili powder, the pepper flakes, and the brown sugar, and we're just going to add this into our pot. Okay, so now we're gonna add our gochujang. We need about 1/3 cup of this, which is about 5 tablespoons. So now we can add our rice cakes in. And we also want to add our green onions. We're going to add 5 slices. Now before putting your steaks on the pan, you want to make sure that your pan is already hot. Put the steak on and it's already sizzling. And I've had these steaks marinating overnight inside gochujang. So you want your steaks to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now that everything is done cooking, we are ready to start plating. Okay, and then we can add our steak. So now that our rice cakes are complete, I hope you enjoyed learning how to make rice cakes.